Welcome again for பாடம் படிக்கலாம் 6th standard English term 1 unit 3 prose 3. Look at the pictures. What do their expressions tell you? First one, mango. King of fruits, packed with nutritions. What is the taste of it? Yes, it's sweet. Can you name some sweet item? We all like sugar cane, isn't it? Second one, salt. What color is it? Yes, as pure as white. It's obtained by the evaporation of seawater. It gives taste to food. Uppillada pandam kuppaile. Third one, bitter gourd. Most of the viewers won't eat bitter gourd because it is bitter in taste. But it is the rich source of vitamin and minerals. During this COVID time, you all must drink this juice because it contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Fourth one, betel nut has many health benefits. It prevents oral cavities, dry mouth, gum infections, etc. How it tastes? Its taste is known as astringent, துவர்ப்பு. The pungent taste is the fifth one. The pungent taste is one of the dry heat and can be found in spicy foods like chili and ginger. It is great for healthy diet. Improve your immune system. The last one, lemon. The taste of sour. As soon as we see lemon, our salivary gland, saliva started producing water, isn't it? A good source of magnesium and potassium. So that picture express the 6 tastes. Sweet, salty, bitter, astringent, pungent and sour. Ayurveda believes the 6 tastes should be consumed every day to promote balance within the body. Do you all like biryani? Yes. What are the spices are added? You can comment in the comment box. We are going to learn a visitor from distant lands. Who is the visitor? Let us learn. Mani's family lived in a village near Senchi in Viluppuram district, Tamil Nadu. Have you heard about the Senchi fort? It's a famous fort in Viluppuram district. Mani liked only a few vegetables. Potatoes and lady's fingers were the two that he liked very much. How are children choosy in vegetables? Small tips for parents to make your children eat all the vegetables. Mix vegetable into their favorite food. Attractive presentation needed. Tell them about the story of vegetables and serve them. Introduce and serve different types of salad so the children will not avoid vegetables. One day, when Amma served potato curry, Mani refused to eat. One day, Mani's teacher informed that potatoes were foreign vegetable and we must consume foods that are locally grown. So he refused to eat his favorite potato curry. And then his parents started telling him the actual story that he cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice. Now, Mani, then you can't order anything, Selvi replied to Mani. Why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Then the parents started explaining to Mani the actual story. They explained to him that many vegetables, including potatoes, lady's finger, chilies, corn, etc., were brought into India by merchant sailors who were looking for spices in our country. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, landed in Kerala and he was elated to find black pepper. Similarly, Christopher Columbus, another sailor who wanted to come to India for pepper, landed accidentally in South America, where he found chilies. If not for him, the world may not have known about the spice called chili at all. Mani and his sister Selvi were astonished by the fact that these vegetables have traveled a long way to make their food delicious. Now glossary time. Foreign belong to other country. Merchants, people who trade, sailed, traveled in a boat or ship. Portuguese, people of Portugal. Adventurous, brave and bold. Popular, well known. Stubby, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. If you haven't subscribed Paadam Padikalam channel, today is the day to subscribe to get the next lesson.